In this video, I'll be showing you how to use effective ways to sort through your files on a Mac computer. So let's just look at some files here. So these are some pictures I took during our portrait practice with, I believe this was A group or B group. Oh, no, these are the wrong ones, right here. And within here, I'm in list view right now. So I would suggest you guys also use list view because it's going to give you a lot of information about your files. For instance, we have the name of the files, we have the date it was created or modified, we have the size of the file, and then we have the kind. So embedded in here, we have both JPEGs and RAW files. So we have .cr2, which are our RAW files, and then we have the duplicate, the JPEG file underneath. Remember to preview an image or a file, you can just hit the spacebar on your keyboard and that will allow you to preview that image. Now, we want to be editing with the raw images. So what we want to do is we want to sort through our images here and kind of separate the RAWs and the JPEGs. A really simple way to do that is if you hit the word kind here, it will separate the RAWs and the JPEGs apart. So up here now we have all of my RAW files, and then down here I have the duplicated JPEG files. Something I like to do is I like to create, if I open this up again, I like to create maybe a JPEG file, a folder, and then so I could just go like portrait or PP JPEGs, and then I'll just throw in my JPEG files here. So I moved those JPEG files now to this PP folder. Now, what I would also suggest you guys do is you can also sort through your pictures and select the good ones that you have. So you can go PP, good, raw files. So now you could sort through and preview your raw files to see which images you would like to work from for your portrait series. Remember that you only have about 16 gigs of space, so you really don't want to keep too many of your files. If you would like to save some of these files, I would suggest uploading them to Google Drive, and then you will always have them. But again, your flash drive is only 16 gigs, so I would suggest not keeping too many of them. So say this is one that you like, you can drag that to this PP good raw file folder. Now, if you didn't want a picture, you can simply just drag it to the trash can, and that's how you would delete it. So you can go here and just drag to the trash can, and then once you're all done, you could empty out the trash can. Right? So just hit empty, and then that would empty out the trash can, and that would delete it from your flash drive. Okay, so those are some simple ways to kind of go through your flash drive before you actually start editing them in Camera Raw. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Adobe Bridge to kind of sort through your images as well.